Hope everyone are joined. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'll try to resolve it by tomorrow, this particular thing. We'll wait for 2 minutes.
Sir, when will you share this PDF file where you have all these definitions and everything?
I'll share. I think I have already shared with you people in the group.
No,
No,
sir.
I'll share it
Yes,
today.
that
So
is
if not today,
Perfect.
tomorrow I'll share it. Once I
Perfect.
complete it, I'll share it so
Okay,
that you
sir.
can refer it. Okay. So hope everyone are joined. So however, we are going to. Okay. So here we in entry view you can see how the accountant has entered, the clerk has entered, he has given the transaction, salaries account debited, euro, business area only on the debit line, okay, profit center on the debit line. Okay, so here the document currency, it will take 5,000, and local currency it will convert into your foreign currency valuation exchange rate value on that particular day. Same thing on USD group currency also, it will update it. In the same way, credit line also, it will update a document currency.
Naveen, conversion is taken care by SAP server, or we have to do it?
I didn't get you.
The conversion rate is taken care by SAP
See, in real
server.
time, we need not to do it, but in this particular version, the conversion rates we need to give manually. In real time, you need not to give that.
So system takes it automatically, right?
No, actually, there is a few website, Abapper will write a program which they will connect SAP server with that foreign currency websites. Hope you got me.
XC is the one. XC is used the
Whatever,
most. Yeah.
there will be a
Got
whatever popular will be there, which will have accurate foreign currency valuation. So that website link will be connected to SAP servers. But here we don't live.
Pepper will do it, right? Yeah.
Manually we will do it. I'll show you how manually we need to do it. Okay. So here business area.
Okay, fine.
Business area, Hyderabad business area, profit center 1000. And did we given any segment here? I'll tell you what do
no,
you mean by segment. In that entry view, in entry, the document entry, did clerk has given any segment here?
no.
No, right? So automatically segment will be taken from the segment will be linked to profit center. That we will see in next. Okay, cement segment. Now we have given only debit line, business area details and profit center details. Now you can see here automatically it will update it from debit to credit in new GL accounting, or if you given the details on the credit line, then automatically it will update from credit to debit. Okay, so Hyderabad 1000 cement. So here we can earlier version, we can have only GL debit equals to GL credit. But what is the new formula says is GL plus profit center, sorry, business area plus profit center plus segment debit equals to, okay, GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment credit. Means we can, you are posting how many entries you are posting? How many entries you are posting?
One.
Only one, but you can see the report, how it will show you in the sense. So it will show the report, GL report, okay, with document currency, okay, business area report with document currency, document currency, profit center report with the document currency. Okay, segment report with document currency. So first one, and next one, same thing, GL report, with local currency, business area report with local currency, profit center report with local currency. Next one, segment report with local currency. And next one, GL report with group currency or hard currency. Okay, business area report with group currency or hard currency. Profit center report group currency. Segment report group currency. We have posted one entry, but we can generate reports like this. Earlier version, we have only GL debit equals to GL credit. But now you can generate a report according to GL wise, business area wise, profit center wise, segment wise. And along with that, currencies also, you can generate a report with document currency. You can generate a report, local currency. You can generate a report with group currency or hard currency. So these many ways, multi-dimensional reporting was possible just a movement of this profit center hierarchy is moved from costing to controlling area to FI module. Is this clear? Any questions? We are going to see when we start our new GL accounting in depth. So till here, what is the need of movement in the sense? Earlier, the clients was not happy with this particular only one report, GL debit equals to GL credit. They want more in-depth analysis. They want to do it. Then SAP came up with a concept called new GL accounting or new GL profit center accounting. So earlier it was profit center accounting was the scope and controlling area, not an FI. So they have just to move the profit center accounting from controlling module to FI module. And the FI module reporting was earlier it was limited. Now it is increased, enhanced with multi-dimensional reporting. Is this clear? Any questions here? Anyone have a questions on this? Hope I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Right? That was the disadvantage with the classic GL version, like ECC 5 or whatever it is. We had an only GL debit equals to only one-dimensional report we used to see it. But now we can get multi-dimensional report, means we are posting one entry and how many ways we can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So total 12 entries we can see. One entry we are posting, but in 12 reports we can view in one entry. So that's the reason it is called as a multi-dimensional reporting. Is this clear? Any questions before I proceed to next? Abdul, right? Is it clear for you?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So next, so write down. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods. Controlling area equals to company codes. That is nothing but 1:n methodology. This is called methodology. And controlling area equal to company code 1:1 methodology. So first one, write down. Controlling area equals to company codes 1:n methodology. This is very, very important. Controlling area equals to company codes 1:n methodology. Okay, when we are eligible to use controlling area 1:n methodology, in the sense, if we are operating or if we are creating controlling area with 1:n methodology, 1:n methodology, all member company codes must use same operational chart of accounts, same physical year variant, but currencies may differ. Currencies may differ. So what does it mean? Controlling area equals to company codes 1:n methodology. So what do you mean by 1:n methodology here in the sense? For example, yesterday we saw this thing, right? Is this the same? See here. I think yesterday I have mentioned one. One second. Yeah, this is. See here. So here I am having in Adani Group, I am having companies in Hyderabad. Able to see the screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So here companies are in Hyderabad, Mumbai, and US, San Francisco. Correct? So here when we can use controlling area 1:n methodology, controlling area 1:n methodology in the sense it should use same chart of accounts. I'll tell you, same chart of accounts in the sense list of accounts, ledger accounts, same ledger accounts, all the member company codes. How many company codes we have here? How many companies we have under Adani Group of companies? Hyderabad company, Mumbai company, and US company. That is nothing but San Francisco. All three companies must use same chart of accounts. Same chart of accounts. I'll tell you what do you mean by chart of accounts. It's early to explain that. But remember that same chart of accounts, it need to use same chart of accounts. And same time, what is the second rule is? The second rule is it should use same fiscal year. Fiscal year, yesterday we have seen that is nothing but your financial year. It's nothing but in our general terminology, we call it as a financial year or accounting year. In SAP, we call it as a fiscal year. So what is the fiscal year? Hyderabad company code, Indian company code, we are using April to March, we are using April to March, we are using April to March. So common financial years we are using for all the three company codes. So first thumb rule, when we can use controlling area 1:n methodology is nothing but, okay, when we can use in the sense, first it need to use same chart of accounts. Second, it need to use same fiscal year. Okay. And the currencies may differ. So Hyderabad company can use INR, Mumbai company can use INR, and San Francisco that can use USD. See here, the currencies are different, but the fiscal years are same and the chart of accounts are also same. Then we can use that particular company can use their controlling area as a 1:n methodology. 1:n methodology. Understood this? So what is the need? Why we can use separate controlling area for each company code in the sense, what is the advantage with 1:n methodology in the sense, how many company codes I am having here in my company, Adani? 3 company codes. So when we are using 1:n methodology, controlling area equal to 1:n methodology, then intercompany transactions are possible. Within company, there are 3 different member company codes are there. So any buying and selling, any payments are receipt, okay, between 3 company codes are possible. When it is possible, when we follow 1:n methodology, because their chart of accounts are same, their physical years are same, only except the currencies are different. However, for currencies, we have currency exchange rates. Clear? So that is the advantage. If you are not following 1:n methodology, the thing is we can't do intercompany transactions, cross company code transactions. So when we follow controlling area 1, so in your organization, if there is a concept called intercompany transactions or cross company code transactions in your organization, then what does it indicate? Your organization is following 1:n methodology controlling area. And in your organization, there is no intercompany concept, there is no cross company code concept. Then what does it mean? They are not following 1:n methodology, they are following other methodology, that is 1:1 methodology. Understood this? Just time being, just try to remember this, because we are going to see everything in depth, because I would like to explain the structure. So that's the reason I'm doing this, because we have a controlling area part here. Any questions? Next, controlling area equals to company code 1:1 methodology. Okay, if we are creating controlling area with 1:1 methodology, all company code attributes, features like chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, and currencies will be copied to controlling. Means it is nothing but chart of accounts of each member company code are different. Okay, fiscal years are different, and currencies, however, they are different. Clear? Means we need to create for Hyderabad company code one controlling area. For Mumbai company code, we need to create one controlling area. And for US company code, we need to create one controlling area. Right? So with this separate controlling areas we have, then what we can't do it? We can't do intercompany transactions or cross-company code transactions.
Sir, one question. What is intercompany and cross-company transactions? I missed that. Sorry, I was just missed that.
No problem. Intercompany transaction is nothing but how many company codes we have in Adani Group, whatever structure we have created.
Right now, for example, is 3, probably 2 in within India and 1 is outside India.
No, 3 are within under Adani only, right? Within India too, but Adani is spread into US and as well as in India, right? So
Right.
1 is in US and 2 in India. So
Correct.
3 company codes, right? So
Right.
cross company code transaction in the sense, for example, you can see in Hyderabad we have a cement, and in Mumbai we have a steel, and in US also we have a steel. Okay, so the order is received in American company steel. Some third party has ordered steel product from America, from American company code, but in American company code the steel product is not there. Then what they can do is they can take from Hyderabad company code, sorry, Mumbai company code, whatever excess production of steel is there in Mumbai, so they can transfer this. Mumbai company code can send it to US, and US company code can sell to that particular product to customer. So here Hyderabad company and Mumbai company is there. Hyderabad company there is some shortage of funds in Mumbai company. Okay, so Hyderabad, and they need to pay some rents. Okay, then there is a shortage of funds in Mumbai company due to some reason. Then Hyderabad company code, whatever Hyderabad company code is having excess funds, then the Hyderabad company code can pay rent on behalf of Mumbai company code. So these are called intercompany transaction. Within company, there are member company codes are there. The transactions are possible within company, in between company codes, not third party, company codes only. Then that is considered as a intercompany transactions or cross company code transactions.
So they are same, basically inter and cross?
Yes.
Got it. Thanks.
So here, that's the reason I have mentioned, you can see here, note, write it down, this note. I think you have written this, right? 1:1 methodology. So note, cross company code costing, nothing but transactions are possible only in 1:n methodology, which is not possible in 1:1 methodology. If it is going above, don't worry, because we are going to see in depth of this. But you need to remember, when cross company code costing, nothing but your intercompany transactions are possible. It's a both. The
Uh,
terms are both same. Intercompany or cross company.
Naveen, I have a question here.
Please go ahead.
In Adani Group, we have two different locations, right? Hyderabad and Mumbai.
Correct.
So can we have two different controlling areas for those two?
That's what I'm saying. If
Might.
it is a chance. Yes, we can have Hyderabad can have one controlling area. Mumbai can have one controlling area. But you can't do any
Okay.
transactions between Mumbai and Hyderabad if you have two different controlling areas.
You mean to say intercompany transactions?
Are not possible, exactly. If Hyderabad is having one controlling area and Mumbai is having another controlling area. Okay. But if I want to do any transaction, then it will become a third party transaction. If I purchase if I take some goods or services from Mumbai, then it will become a third party transaction. He will become a third party supplier.
Okay.
It will not consider as an intercompany transaction or a cross company code transaction.
Makes
Okay,
sense.
so intercompany transactions will basically been updated with the help of controlling area, you mean to say?
Exactly.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, fine. Yeah.
What is a disadvantage in the sense? See, whatever benefits we are going to do in between transactions. So normally, if I am purchasing in Hyderabad company to Mumbai, then normally we will want to file the taxes and all those stuff. But if you are purchasing from third party, then we need to pay all the sort of taxes, right? Hope you got my point. So you are
Yes,
doing a
yes.
transaction between these two, and I am following 1:n methodology. Then there is a free movement of goods and services between these two companies, company codes. Free movement, I'm saying free movement means free movement in the sense no taxes. Restriction movement in the sense there will have some sort of legal formalities need to be. So for example, I'm doing a transaction between San Francisco and Mumbai. So here, this is the 1:n methodology I'm following. Okay, then I can have a free movement of goods and services in between. Okay. Again, we have a lot of things in intercompany transactions. I'll tell you when. But remember that 1:n methodology is nothing but free movement of goods and services, free movement of payments and receipt between the member company codes. If you want to maintain separate 1:1 methodology, then it is not possible intercompany or cross company code transactions. That's what I would like to say here. Understood?
Naveen, actually in my organization, we don't have the same controlling area, but we have intercompany for both for those units.
How you will come to know we don't have a controlling area, same controlling area?
Because
You can check.
when
See, that's what. How you can check is, for example, whatever company codes, intercompany you're doing, right? Whatever company codes are there, you just check what is the chart of accounts they are using. Okay.
chart of accounts, yes, okay.
Yes, right. I'll tell you. If you press you can select FS00, then definitely you will find chart of accounts. Okay. Or after posting, you can see the verify. So whatever company code you are posting in between transaction, you just check, are they using the same chart of accounts and same fiscal year or not? If they are not using same fiscal year, same chart of account, then it is not 1:n methodology. If you are able to do intercompany transaction, is nothing but you are following controlling same 1:n methodology controlling area. Blindly, you can say that.
See,
Yeah, actually, Naveen, in older versions, if we are working in FI, we may not know about the controlling area. When it comes to CO only, we can come to know what is the control area for
Correct.
it.
So at that particular point of time, see intercompany, yeah, acha, you are using older version, right? If you are using older version, intercompany transaction will have a lot of rule restrictions, lot of regulations.
yeah, Naveen. See, for example, we have a T code called F.01, right, for balance sheet viewing.
Yes.
Trial balance. So in that we give chart of accounts in one of the field.
Correct.
So for in my company, we have two units. For those two units, we have two different chart of accounts.
Okay.
But even though we have an intercompany for those two units,
What kind of
like
version you are using, Anil?
Version, I think it's I did not check, but
That's what you do is
let
today.
mm,
What you do
mm,
is as soon as you log in, first check which version you are using, and same time which chart of accounts you are using for intercompany. Hope you got my point.
okay,
And which fiscal year you are using? What fiscal year you are using?
okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. Any
It's
questions? Still there?
ECC, it's
Yeah.
ECC, but I don't know the version.
That's
It's
what. Just
ECC.
check it out. You know, right? How to check the version?
Yes, in status.
Yeah. Same.
Sure.
Thank you.
But how to check the intercompany part?
That's
In the
what.
same.
See, I'll tell you. If
Okay,
you
in
go to
future.
your
Okay, got it.
after posting, you
Mm,
will find some GL accounts, right?
mm,
Right.
yes.
In FS
Mm,
00, if you click on FS
mm,
00 or any reporting you can generate, right?
mm,
F.01, you can check it what kind of chart of accounts you are using. Or after posting also you can view in the reports. That I'll show you. Okay.
sure,
Yeah.
sure. Thank you, Navin.
So is it clear? Anyone have a confusion? Don't get confused, but only I would like to create controlling area 1:n, 1:1 methodology. So now see here, what is my client here in this particular example, my whatever project, my client is 800 client. Okay. And what is my operating concern? I am creating operating concern as a AOCN, Adani operating concern. A stands for Adani operating concern. And next one, controlling area. I'm taking under operating concern, we have a controlling area. Okay. One controlling area, I'm taking example only. Okay. 1:n methodology, 1:n methodology. So I have a 3 company codes. I'm following 3 company codes. Okay. That is company code AI01, Adani India 1 company code, Adani India 2 company code, Adani US company code 01. So I'm having a 3 company codes and we are under controlling area 1:n methodology. Okay. And here we are using common chart of accounts. Common chart of accounts. That is nothing but Adani operational chart of accounts. Okay. And common fiscal year variant. Common fiscal year variant. I'm using anything you can do it. So I'm taking A as an Adani, fiscal year variant as an 1, A1. Okay. And company code currency, I'm using 2 currencies. One is INR. As I mentioned, common chart of account should be the same. Fiscal year variant will be the same for 3 company codes. Then only 1:n methodology is possible. But currencies can be different. So for company code 1, company code 2, I'm using INR, and company code 3, I'm using USD. Clear? Any questions still here? And one more, I am taking an example. Same 1:n1 methodology. Controlling area 2, 1:1 methodology. And we are not going to use initial phases this. So I'm taking into company code 4. So which is not relevant, may probably the chart of account is different from these 3 company codes. Fiscal year may different from compared to these 3 fiscal year. So I can't combine. If fiscal year is different, chart of account is different, then the company code 4, I can't take into 1:n methodology. I need to have separate controlling area for this. Any questions here?
Sir, one question in the controlling area 1:n, when we're talking about 2 Indian and 1 US company. What if the US company follow the physical variant is a K4?
Okay.
Then the 1:n methodology will not gonna work here?
Yes, 1:n methodology is not going to follow.
Okay.
We need to make it a separate controlling area for this if it is following a separate what we call fiscal year variant.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Clear? Just write it down this picture.
Sir, is it really possible if you can share this after this call? Because I think
Yeah,
this data.
definitely I'll do that. But before that, why I am asking you to write it down in the sense for your quick reference purpose, it is useful. According to your understanding, you'll prepare your notes. Hope you got my point, right? I'll share this, not an issue.
Okay.
So this is about your controlling area and operating concern. Tomorrow we will see in tomorrow's session the other steps like controlling area. That's the reason our thing will go a little slower. So we will see tomorrow company code and other credit control area, financial management area, profit center standard hierarchy and all those stuff. And I'll share this document tomorrow's session after tomorrow. Once
Okay,
we
sir.
complete it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all. Any questions before we wind up? Anil, kindly check today in your system so that whether you
It's
are following one is 10
it's
methodology.
ECC6. It's ECC6,
Uh-huh.
but yeah,
But kindly check.
I'll
Yeah, chart of
okay.
accounts also. Probably 100% DSM is having ECC6 only because they are migrating to S4 HANA also.
Exactly. You know, right? We also have the Apollo and non-Apollo. These
Yeah,
are
yeah,
all
that's
kinds
what.
of systems.
That's the reason I'm asking you.
Sure. I'll come back with the question again.
Okay. Thank you all. See you in tomorrow's session.
Thank you, Navin.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you.